like there's no right or wrong answer to how much you scrape and how much old paint you paint over.
They've never really done what they said they were going to do.
And Neil made it very clear he really didn't like what they were doing.
Now the situation where we've parted ways with the painter for this particular project. The painters are happy to go. We're happy that they've gone. Next steps, we have to find a really amazing paint hero. Today, our paint hero has arrived. His name is Peter, and I've worked with them before. They're fabulous.
Oh, my gosh. What do you got here?
How are you doing? It's a big one.
Man.
Never been more excited to see a house be painted.
Love it, love it.
Okay, we have
5 days to do it.
5 days, 8 colors. It's every painter's dream.
Awesome.
Peter's team is already scraping, prepping, and painting.
I wanna know what it takes to go the distance on my own. Let's start the show.
The exterior paint is finally going up, all 7 of the colors. Inside, countertops and lights are getting installed. The coffee bar is finally taking shape, and the new bookshelf is helping separate the kitchen, but still makes the spaces feel connected.
And what do I look? Look, Evelyn, look. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Right?
Wow. Colors.
Yeah. I can't believe it.
I know, me neither.
It's
Wow, look
so
at the
beautiful. I love the
transom.
door. Somehow it looks like even more grand
it
than
does.
it did before.
It was in disrepair. When I had the old handrail that was like about to fall off.
The colors that are now on the exterior, like I love the way
believe it.
that came together.
Love that.
The old aluminum columns.
Yeah, those came out amazing.
Can we go inside?
We totally can. Okay, go check it out.